Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Circle K. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in circlek.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Circle K website. Now you can proceed forward with logging into your account by using your phone number and the verification code. Once you are logged in, if you wish to change your phone number, then the only option is to contact the support team. So click on Contact Us from the homepage at the top section and then enter your details. Type in your full name followed by your registered email address and then enter your phone number. Then enter your zip or your postal code and then within the question about section, just choose website. You can choose any area that is closest to you within the area drop-down menu and you can leave the store address option as it is. Now within the comment section, you can simply type in that your phone number is incorrect and that you would like it to be changed to a different one. Also make sure to mention your desired new phone number and finally click on I'm not a robot to verify your identity. You can then click on the submit button which will send your request to the Circle K support team. Once the team has received your request, you will get a response within your email letting you know about the process of changing your phone number. And there you have it. That is how you can go around if you wish to change your phone number on Circle K. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.